Freedom Software Solutions Private Limited presents Freedom Smart Factory IoT. In modern manufacturing, time is everything. Every second counts when it comes to accuracy, speed, and efficiency. With our API production system, data flows directly from the machine to the server in real time. No manual entry, no delays, just instant, secure data transfer. Every production detail, program numbers, part counts, cycle times, is captured automatically and posted as production entries into the ERP system. This means zero paperwork, zero duplication, and zero human error.
The advantages are clear. Accuracy, no manual typing mistakes. Speed, instant posting as soon as the machine finishes. Transparency, live visibility for managers and operators. Efficiency, save hours of manual updates every day. Integration, seamless link between shop floor and ERP. For users, this means simplified work. Operators can focus on running machines, while supervisors gain real-time insights into production. Managers can monitor performance, analyze trends, and make faster decisions, all from one dashboard.
From machine to ERP, from data to decisions, our API production automation transforms your shop floor into a smart, connected, and future-ready environment.
Freedom Smart Factory IoT is the cost-efficient for manufacturing industries.